Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 200 SMA on TradingView. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open TradingView, then go to the top and click on indicators. This one, click on it. And here at the top, type SMA. Now click on moving average simple. So SMA stands for simple moving average. So click on it. And as you can see here, this is our SMA, but this is not a 200 SMA. So to add, so let's remove this one, this Fibonacci. So to make this one a 200 SMA, go to indicators here. If you can't see it here, click on this arrow like this and click on SMA. Click on the gear icon, go to inputs, and we have here length. As you can see, it's 9. Change it to 200. And now this is the 200 SMA, as you can see. Okay. Now let's say, for example, you don't like this color. So let's change it. Go again to SMA 200. Click on settings and click on style. Click on blue and you can change it to any color you want. So let's say, for example, you want to change it to black. This one, as you can see. Now, if we want to make this moving average, the SMA thicker, go to thickness here and choose, for example, this one. Okay. And this is our 200 SMA, as you can see, this one. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.